Balitan mo, parang 27. Yeah.
All you can think is, I know what.
What?
Blow.
Wish mo na.
First, siyempre, thank God kasi...
Iyak na yan.
Walang ganun. I'm still kicking in alive because of God. Because of God's will. Thank you kasi mali kayo sa birthday ko. Salamat.
English. Translate to English.
Ang hirap naman, God. Especially thanks to my,
colleagues, friends,
my loved ones.
my